our 70-inch 2-door pizza prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, over a length of at least 69 3/4 inches. And a depth of 35.5 inches. Depth of 35.5 inches counting the chopping board in the front. And minus the chopping board, we have 31.5 inches. Overall height of at least 43 inches tall. Coming to the right and left section of the pizza prep table will be pans. And included will be 1, 2, 3, 6 pans on the left side and 3 pans to the right. Total of 9 pans that will be included with this pizza prep table. Each pan will measure at least 6 3/4 inches in length, a depth of at least 12 3/4 inches, and a height of 5 3/4 inches tall. Measurements for the inner storage of the pan will include 5 3/4 inches in height, 11.5 inches in depth, by 5 3/4 inches in length. The left and right doors can be held into place, and when the pans or the toppings inside the pans are not in use, doors can be closed to cover your fresh goods. Coming to the bottom is your power and temperature controller. Bottom of the prep table will be a refrigerator for storing your refrigerated goods, and 2 shelves that can be adjusted. Measurements for each shelf will include 24 inches in depth by 23 1/4 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right shelf. Interior dimensions will include 24 3/4 inches in depth. Overall height of 24 inches. Measurement for the interior length will be 48.5 inches. Coming to the top left corner of the prep table will be your ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this pizza prep table. And coming to the back will be your standard 110, 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.